If you earn 2,000 net per month, is that enough? Most people think that the answer depends on their job. Math says it depends on the zip code. Hello, fellow wealth seekers! Today, after the first successful edition of Living on 2K, we're gonna take the exact same amount and fly to 3 new cities to see which one will make you a king and which one will leave you almost bankrupt. Let's look at the numbers. Let's start close to my birthplace, Milan, the fashion capital. Let's say you get your 2,000 euro check. There goes your rent, 1.2 thousand on average. Yes, it's that bad. And that's 1-bedroom apartment, not even in the city center. Then you have bills and groceries, around 200-300 euros, transportation, around the same. What are you left with? 300. That's basically 10 euros left a day for life. You are working for status, but you're effectively building zero wealth. 2,000 in Milan is survival mode. Now, let's fly over to Vienna, constantly voted one of the most livable cities on earth. Thanks to social housing policies, you get by with a rent of around 900 euros. Transportation is quite affordable thanks to the Klima ticket. Groceries, slightly higher, 350. Nevertheless, you're left with 550, effectively doubling your disposable income compared to Milan. You live, you go on holiday without stress, and you are building enough to work towards your savings rate. Finally, let's go to Bucharest. Most Westerners ignore it. They're bad. 1-bedroom apartment, 500 euros. Modern, close to city center. Bills and transport, 100 euros. My favorite, high-speed internet at 8. 250 for groceries, and what are you left with? 1,150. You could be saving effectively over 50% of your salary. In Bucharest, 2,000 makes you upper class. You take Uber everywhere, you eat at the best restaurants, you're effectively living your life while still maxing out your ETF portfolio allocation. Here's the verdict. Look at this chart. This is your life margin. In Milan, you're a pauper wearing a Gucci suit. In Bucharest, you're building a financial fortress. So before you take that job in the prestigious city, ask yourself, do you want to look rich or do you want to be rich? Geography is your biggest leverage as an expat. I broke down the cost of living for many more cities. Just comment below and let us know where we're going next. I want to make sure we start 2026 strong. First, everyone who subscribes and leaves a comment under any of my videos will receive my free top 5 investment strategies for 2026. Simply post a comment and I'll drop the link. Secondly, I will be tracking the most active members of the community. So the ones that leave the most likes and meaningful comments will receive a free copy of one of my favorite finance books of all time, The Psychology of Money from Morgan Housel. So drop a comment, subscribe, and let's get your money right. And if you want to know how to make the best of that extra cash from Bucharest, watch this video next. Till the next session, European Money Lab out.